Class 6, how are you? So that's a topic mineral is going on. I came with another video, and here you will study fully descriptive way on minerals. And you are seeing in the first slide that we are talking about mineral, what it does for our body, and where we get it from. So first is calcium. Understand? Essential for building strong, healthy bones and teeth. Means it is helpful for our bones and teeth. Helps muscle contraction and nerve function, and helps blood clotting. Means it never find our blood in clotting. Clotting means जमना, ये कभी इसे जमने नहीं देता है खून को. And how does we get from dairy product like milk, cheese, yogurt? The yogurt means like curd like thing, and salmon fish. Understand? This is salmon fish. Whole grains like whole grains, gram, pulses, soya fortified, soya chunks, and broccoli. Broccoli is a cauliflower of Europe. It is in fully green and a high source of protein. The next one is chromium. Helps with normal growth, means it builds up our body, help in growing our body, and controlling blood sugar level. Blood sugar level means it means a patient never get diabetes की problem नहीं होती इससे. And how it we get? Extract, egg yolk, egg yolk means white part of egg, liver and kidney, lean meat, रेड कलर का जो मीट होता विदाउट बोन वो, whole grains, same gram, pulses, and cheese. Next is copper. Joins with iron in formation of red blood cell. Red blood cell which makes our blood red and fights with the disease. Sorry, only make our blood red. Helps with the functioning of nervous system. Make our nervous system good. Our brain, our nerves, our spinal cord. And how it we get? These are found in seafood. Seafood are crabs, kekda, lobster. These are nuts, almond, cashews, and whole grain also. Whole grains are very natural source of these minerals. Next is fluorine. Helps with the structure of healthy bones, and I told you in my previous lecture that fluorine, calcium, and phosphorus both help in maintaining our teeth and bones. Decreases the chance of dental caries, means our no issue with our teeth. Helps in prevention of osteoporosis. It is a disease happen in our bones. And how it we get? Fluoridated drinking water, fish. If you don't like fish, then no need. And sometime drink tea if you don't drink any day. Next is iodine. Iodine, I told you in my last video that only a pinch of iodine, only totally in our whole life 1 spoon of iodine is needed by our body. And thyroid functioning mein it work. Thyroid gland is find in our neck, and if we lack of iodine, then our neck is just swallowed. And helps brain function and normal growth. It makes our brain strong. How it we get? And the iodine is mixed in the water. We get natural iodine from the seafood. I told you. Oh yeah, this one, these are seafood. Seaweed means a type of grass that is found inside downside of the water. Iodized salt, like Tata salt, bread, Next is phosphorus. Work with calcium formation of strong healthy bones and teeth. I told you phosphorus is also good for our bones and teeth and helps the body to store and use energy. And whatever we eat, it works to store that material and convert into energy. And how it does we get it? We can get it in many kinds of food like meat, milk and cheese, eggs, yeast. Yeast is a material we met in the some type of just like flour when we flour and the dough of like dosa, like understand like but bhature we may add the yeast and it swallowed the dough and make the dough very soft. Wheat germs like गेहूं वगैरह में पाया जाता है एंड नट्स एंड सीड्स आलमंड्स कैश्यूज ग्राम सनफ्लावर फ्लैक्स सीड बेसल सीड दीज आर नो बेसल सीड तुलसी के बीज फ्लैक्स सीड अलसी के बीज नेक्स्ट इज पोटेशियम कंट्रोल नर्व इम्पल्सेस एंड मसल्स अवर हमारी जो नर्व्स होती हैं दैट सेंड और रिसीव द मैसेज इट कंट्रोल इन दैम and helps maintain fluid balance. Sorry, fluid balance, the water, the blood that flow in our body, it control that. And how we get it? From nuts, from yeast, dry fruit like cashews, almond, bananas, wheat gum, raw fruit like apple, oranges, all things whatever we eat raw, kacha, vegetables, and meat and fish. And last, sodium, which we called salt. Control nerve impulse transmission means our control the message which are transferring from our brain to body and body to brain. Health water balance. That's why we doctors advised us to make a ORS solution in the summertime. Make add the salt and sugar, and mix it and then drink. It control our water level. Food high in sodium. We eat the food that high in sodium, mainly table seafood, vegetable salt. Vegetable salt means common salt that we eat in our daily life. Sauces, soya sauce, vinegar, yeast extract, and processed meat. Hammed. Processed meat means not a direct meat, not a meat that is just cut the chicken and mutton. After processing meat, it is go in a chemical process and some parts of nutrients we extract only some parts remain of that nutrient in that meat, cheese and bread. And last, zinc aids in wound healing and immune function. Wound healing, if we suppose that we any cut and scratch on our body, but sometime it automatically fill without any medicine. So zinc will work for it. And immune system means fight from diseases. We never got disease easily. Essential for normal taste, smell, and sight. How we what we taste, what we smell, and what we see. It controls by zinc and helps in the formation of strong bones. Understand? So what is the source of this? For non-vegetarians, lean meat, fish, chicken. For vegetarian, milk, whole grains like I told you. On legumes, legumes means all kinds of pulses and nuts. Understand? So you have to learn these tables. Understand? There is no homework with it. It is enough for today. and it is a very good table for minerals.